fellas. Crazy little storm we got here, man. It's freezing. Whew. But look at this shit. We got the shop coat and everything, man. Oh my god. Anyway though, guys, tomorrow's a big day, and just doing the last final preparations, you know. I'm changing the plugs out right now. They're looking pretty good. We're still plenty of rich, guys, so on my target air fuel ratio, I'm targeting like an 11.4, and I might just bump that to an 11.5 or 6, you know, guys, because the plug still looks kind of fat to me, and I think we're safe, you know. Porcelain looks pretty good. That's about 600 miles on that. It's not that many miles, guys. But yeah, we're gonna do the spark plugs, and then I'm gonna go get a full tank of E85. The content's at 60 right now, 63, and I'm gonna fill it up with straight E and see if we can get that up to like 70s to be up in there good, you know, nice and safe. And yeah, it should be ready for tomorrow, guys. Hope you guys are excited. Wish I had a couple more GoPros to set them up at the dyno spot, but rain or shine, we'll be there. Either way, my buddy Danny at Precision's gonna trailer it or help us. So here you guys go, just a couple steps before we hit the dyno, and we'll see you guys soon, guys. Let's take a walk over to my boy Danny's. I can show you guys this shop real quick, man. I used to work in a shop like this, you know, old school. Got the old signs up, old school cars, carburetors everywhere. Let's go take a look at this, guys. You guys gonna like this. Woo! Look at these old schools, fellas. Let's go get the scoop on today. What you guys doing over here? Huh? What are you doing?
Excessive drive, straight, so it's heating up the belt.
Nice, bro. You guys got some good shit in here today. Look at this, guys. That's my car in here. It's a Falcon, right? Yeah, fairly. And I like these 50s ones. Look at this shit, guys. It's the kind of shit they do here. Is this a Pontiac? Well, a Mopar. Look at this, man. Told you guys this shop was sick. This just reminds me of my old shop. You guys know me from the old school. My old shop was like this. We had a machine shop. Used to do all old schools. Gives me this kind of feeling when I'm in here. But yeah, man, we just came to say what's up to Danny and see what the plan is for later, alright? Keep it tuned. We'll see if we can talk to Danny in a minute. He's with some customers. Alright, guys, check this thing out, man. Woo! He got this one on the inside. Now, what stunned me about this thing is, you guys see the molding, or the fender got molded into the bottom piece. That thing is wild, guys. Look at this freaking car, guys. He got it back from the body shop. He's gonna wire it, plumb it, and get it running for them. God, look at that, guys. Whoo! Yeah. Someday we'll have this kind of shit in our shop. But this shop's been here for 40 years, Danny told me when he took over, so yeah, it's pretty established, you guys know. It takes time. Check that out, guys. Is that a 69, I think? Yeah, I think that's a 69. It's nice. It's about that time.
Let's go, baby.
It's about that time.
about that time. How we doing, Dan? Getting her ready?
Already know.
Yeah? Getting her ready?
You already know.
Danny do it all, toes. Yeah, no, Dan.
Huh?
Raw battery starts making hella noise.
All loaded up, ready to go. Nice and easy. That's serious right there. Yeah, yeah. Good. How we feeling, Eddie?
Ready to make a pass. I mean,
Ready?
oil temp needs to come up to at least 140, 150.
Chilly.
Cooling temp 128, so we'll warm her up a little bit.
There you go.
Just strap her down.
It's I sit over one side.
It'll go sideways and come off. Yeah, that one.
All right, fellas. Here we go. Let's see what she does. What you think, Danny? You ready or what?
Ready, man.
You ready, Brian?
Are you
or what?
ready?
Yeah, Eddie, what's up? You ready?
Hell yeah.
Yee.
Let's do this.
Gotta dry those tires off. It's gonna slip.
Like that one.
Ready? First pull. First pull. Let's go. We're gonna take it to 6,000. Round two, we 577, 641. Woo! First pull at what was it? 8.9 pounds of boost. So I clicked it up a little bit higher. I went up to $6,000 on that. Felt good. So steady, yeah. So we're gonna start her up and go for round two, guys. We just need to make more boost.
That's it.
That's it. That's it, guys.
$633. 709.
Nice.
709, 633.
I went up a little higher in the RPM. What was the RPM?
RPMs? At That's $6 grand. All right, fellas. Number 3. We're up a little bit. A little bit.
What do we hit?
730 torque.
Nice.
665.
Going up, it's going up.
It's creeping up there.
730 torque, damn. 730 torque?
That shit was, dang, you gotta see it.
You feel that shit in your chest, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
Hey, it felt fire on
Jesus.
No, I smacked it this time. I was
Oh yeah, fuck that.
Huh? That was my fault.
Oh.
Dude, it was
What
my
happened, Ed? What happened, Ed?
fucking let her eat that time, dude.
You gave it to her?
That was it right there, bro. I can go home now.
Ooh, nah, hell nah.
Hey, that's a 900.
Hey, we're just warming up. Hey, bro, you gotta see that
Man,
thing.
guys.
You gotta see that
Thank
thing.
you guys, bro. All you motherfuckers. Danny with the save over here, too.
Damn.
God damn.
That's light work. Light work. How many pounds?
83.
Hey, how many pounds?
That's 1,000 right there.
How many pounds?
16 pounds.
It cranked up to 16 pounds right
Only?
No, I turned it up.
Oh, okay.
Only 16? Jesus. Ooh. Man, I thought that thing was gonna come out the front.
Right?
That thing was like, whoa.
Oh yeah, it was angry. You can tell.
Yeah, that
peaked at
shit was
13 pounds.
angry, for real.
Alright, guys. We did that shit. I can't believe how much power this fucker made, and it was only at like what, 13 pounds of boost, Danny?
13.6.
13 pounds of boost, guys. Here you go. 824 horsepower, 883 foot-pounds of torque.
The numbers don't lie.
That's with my boost controller maxed out, so we can't make any more boost than 13 right now. So all those mods, they for sure made a difference.
Oh man.
For sure, Neo.
Oh man.
Neo, bro, that housing, the 205 heads, bigger fuel pump, all that shit. Car's alive still, nothing happened to it, and we're here, guys. Take a look.
What's next, bro?
What's next is more boost, but I don't even think we need that. The intercooler is still, you know, the stock on 3-row. It could go for a 4-row.
That's the thing with
And
the turbo guys.
everything is, you know, pretty much stock on that kit. So we're gonna get home and review all this
Shout out
stuff.
the Humvee. What is it?
Yep.
It's the dyno.
Come on, guys, let's get the photo.
Get that fast 82.
Woo, get
Come on,
yourself that
baby.
fast 82. You
Come
need
on,
it.
baby.
Y'all want to make 1,000? That's how you make 1,000 right there. Woo! We're back to headquarters, fellas. Precision Motors. What a day, guys.
Hell yeah, dog.
Woo! Thank you very much, Danny. You guys,
I'm
the
just
crew.
transport.
Man.
Nah, man, you was
driver?
helping on the keys, guys.
So you tuning over there, Danny?
Woo!
A couple up arrows.
Yeah. Woo, guys. I think you guys are gonna be real happy with that. So we ran out of little turns on the boost controller. We targeted 16, but it tapered off to 13 and ended up at 13 pounds of boost at the end of the run. 823, 883, guys. Woo! I say that's 1,000 horsepower to the motor, guys. Woo! Alright, guys. That's it for this one. See you guys on the next one.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Herb on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. Picture now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Oh my god, now they all look jealous. Brand new drip, hope they all got umbrellas. Y'all don't fit in, call them all Cinderellas. And I heard your last shit, dog, you can do better. You ain't got shit on me, homie, that's facts. I just bought a new crib, I buy another for the tax. We ain't in the same league, we ain't in the same brackets. I ain't made a joint yet, they already know it slaps. Now I need the dollars. Got a new girl and she look like Madonna. Found a new flow and it's hot like the sauna. Buying these stocks, I don't care about design.